Guys, it's coming.
You know what? I'm gonna go over here.
Don't stand too close to the tracks.
I know,
Guys,
I'm standing on my left rock.
it's coming. We got some train action over here. It's coming.
Will you guys be upset if I record you on accident?
I'm just gonna be over here. Don't film me.
Yeah. Guys, if you go to Edwardsville after this.
We can go to Edwardsville after. Yes. Now that's what I call some train action.
Definitely yellow scheme.
Get ready for the gates to go down. It's coming. Three, 2, 1. Go crossings. 1/4.5. 1/4.5, 2. I'll give you ice cream candy. I'll give you ice cream crossing.
Oh, it's switching tracks.
It switched the tracks.
Why is there something green behind it? Oh, no!
No, it's coming from over there. No.
It's on an Amtrak.
Oh, Amtrak.
And it was the new one.
Guys, that was an Amtrak.